Hello everyone, I'm Joseph Yagin, assistant professor Assam Downtown University. So today's experiment is qualitative analysis of carbohydrate that we are going to determine the unknown sample of carbohydrate. That already I have explained about the principle involved in Mollis test and Benedict test, and that two tests we are going to perform. So in this video I will explain the procedures involved in the Mollis test and Benedict test to determine the unknown sample of carbohydrate. So here's the reagents needed for the Mollis test. Like test solution, we need at 5% glucose, 5% sucrose, and 5% starch. And Mollis reagent, that is 5% alpha naphthol in ethanol, sulfuric acid, dry test tube, and pipettes. Then procedure of Mollis test is we need to take 2 ml of sample in a dry test tube. Then we need to take 2 ml of distilled water in another test tube as control. After that, we have to add 2 to 3 drops of Mollis reagent, that is alpha naphthol, to the solution. Then gently pipette 1 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid along the side of the tube so that two distinct layers are formed. And you have to observe the color change at the junction of two layers. There will be an appearance of purple color that indicates the presence of carbohydrate. So this is the simple procedure to carry out this Mollis test. So after that we have Benedict test, and for the Benedict test we have the test solutions of 5% glucose and 5% sucrose, and a Benedict reagent we need. This is the Benedict reagent. Here you can see copper sulfate water solution, then sodium carbonate and sodium citrate. Water bath we need, and then dry test tube and pipettes. And the procedure involved in Benedict test is like, here you can see we have to take 1 ml of test sample in a dry test tube. Then again we need to take 1 ml of distilled water in another test tube as control. Then there you have to add 2 ml of Benedict reagent in both the test tubes, in sample as well as in the control. Then keep in water bath for 5 minutes and look for the development of brick red precipitate. So this is the simple procedures for both the test, like for Mollis test and Benedict test, to determine the unknown sample of carbohydrate. You can follow this procedure to carry out your experiment for the qualitative test for carbohydrate. So in my next video I am going to discuss about the result of this experiment. Thank you.